Hello, and welcome back. In the first video, we learned what Microsoft Excel is and how it is used. In this video, we will learn something very important, Excel formulas, and we will learn formulas using a real example. On the screen, you can see a simple Excel sheet. It has student names and their marks. Now let's understand what a formula is. A formula is an instruction that you give to Excel. You tell Excel what to calculate, and Excel gives you the result. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign. This equal sign tells Excel that you are giving a formula. Now let's start with the first formula. Sum. The sum formula is used to add numbers. Here we want to find the total marks of all students. The marks are in column B, from cell B2 to B6. So we type equals sum, open bracket, B2 colon B6, close bracket. Excel adds all the marks automatically. You do not need to calculate anything manually. Now let's look at the second formula. Average. The average formula is used to find the average value. Instead of adding marks and dividing by number of students, Excel does everything for us. We type equals average, open bracket, B2 colon B6, close bracket. Excel instantly shows the average marks. Simple and fast. Now let's look at the third formula, count. The count formula is used to count how many numbers are present. It only counts numeric values. It does not count text. In our sheet, marks are numbers. So we type equals count, open bracket, B2 colon B6, close bracket. Excel tells us how many marks are entered. This means how many students are there. Now here is something very important. If you change any mark in the sheet, Excel updates all results automatically. This is the real power of Excel formulas. You do not need to be good at math. You just need to tell Excel what you want. In this video, you learned what a formula is, why formulas are useful, and 3 basic formulas, sum, average, and count. These formulas are used everywhere in Excel. In the next video, we will learn max and min formulas to find highest and lowest values. Thank you for watching. Practice these formulas in Excel. And keep learning step by step.